Not in the phenomenal world of unreality, what made me go towards the reality of the external self, of the eternal self. Keep me not in the immense state of darkness, but make me go towards the light of spiritual knowledge. Keep me not in the world of mortality, but make me go towards the world of immortality, that of self-realization. Peace to thee, peace to thee, peace to thee. शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशय स्वज्योति नमस्ते. The conqueror of the species, welfare, health, wealth and prosperity. Salutation to you, O flame of the lamp, for the destruction of the thought of enemy. Dipajyoti param brahma, dipajyoti janardana, dipajyoti papam, dipajyoti Namaste. Dipajyoti, the Supreme Brahma, Dipajyoti, Janardana, Lord Vishnu. May the divine lamp eradicate my sins. Salutations to the divine lamp. Let us hence begin the day with an invitation to the vitality and healing illumination of the spirit of the light. Let us invoke the spirit of the universe by lighting the lamp, and that light of the universe is none other than Lord Jagannath. Param Brahma Daru Brahma Lord Jagannath. Dasmita Puriya Lord Jagannath. May I now request our dignitaries in the dais to kindly do the honor, please.
By the Consumer Affairs, Government Odisha, and respected Professor Narasena Pandaji, Vice Chancellor, Central College University of Odisha, distinguished guests, print and electronic media, and all ladies and gentlemen. Second one is Regional Center Koraput, which is established in 2005. Third one is Regional Center Anupur, that is established in 2022. And the recent development, that is the IGNOU Regional Center at Rairampur, which is established in 2025 and inaugurated in 1st January 2026 by the Honorable President, Government of India. So, on the Regional Center Bhubaneswar, more than 62,819 learners enrolled in 2025, that is in one academic year. We have two different academic cycles, the July cycle and the January cycle. In two cycles together, it is 62,819 students of Odisha, those who are enrolled in different programs on the Regional Center Bhubaneswar. And so far as the presence of Odisha is concerned, more than 88,000 students are enrolled in different programs under the 4 different regional centers of Odisha. Out of which 22% category students, 33.5% ST category students, and 29.6% category OBC students. So in 2025, 72.09% of the learners belong to rural areas and 53.6% learners belong to the women and the girls. So it itself shows the opportunities through IGNOU have motivating and moving towards the rural, marginalized, disadvantaged, deprived sections of Odisha at their doorstep. We have a network of 223 learner support centers. We call it a study center under Regional Center Bhubaneswar, and more than 83 learner support centers in Odisha under the 4 different regional centers. More than 400 academic counselors, those who are the teachers associated with teaching learning process under Indira Gandhi National Open University under Regional Center Bhubaneswar. More than 400 academic counselors are associated with us actively, and through other regional centers, the more than 789 active academic counselors in 83 different programs are associated with IGNOU for the teaching learning process. RC Bhubaneswar for providing academic
Tradition of Atithi Devo Bhava. May I request our senior regional director, Dr. M.K. Das sir, to kindly honor our honorable guests by presenting sir.
ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ଏଥିରୁ ଜଣାପଡ଼େ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ ପ୍ରତି କେତେ ନିଷ୍ଠା ଅଛି। ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ ପ୍ରତି ନିଷ୍ଠା ନଥିଲେ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଇଗ୍ନୋ ଭଳିଆ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲୋକ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଆଡମିସନ୍ କରିବା। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଉଛି ଶିକ୍ଷା ପ୍ରତି ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଆକର୍ଷଣଟା। 3,24,000 ଶିକ୍ଷାର୍ଥୀ ଏଥିରେ ନାମ ଲେଖେଇଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ଏବଂ ପ୍ରମାଣପତ୍ର ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ 19 ଜଣ ଶିକ୍ଷାର୍ଥୀ ମଧ୍ୟ ସାମିଲ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲି ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ 2 ଜଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଲ୍ଡ ମେଡାଲ ପାଇଥିଲେ। ବହୁତ ଖୁସି କେତେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ମନ ଭିତରେ ଦୂରରେ ଥାଇ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି। ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଶିକ୍ଷକମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଟଚ୍ ନାହିଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ାରେ କେତେ ଉତ୍ସାହ ଅଛି। ଗାଁରେ ରହି ଘରେ ରହି ନିଜର କର୍ମ ସଂସ୍ଥାନ କରି ତାପରେ ବି ସେମାନେ ନିଜ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ାକୁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। उद्बोधन अनुप्राणित प्रेरित एवं उत्साहित आउट जेते आपण विद्यार्थी अछंती तांकर समान जानि
कि अपन को मुक्ति प्रदान करे। न ही ज्ञानेन सदृशं पवित्रम यह विद्यते। भगवत गीता कहूची जे ज्ञानर सदृश ए दुनिया किछि नाही। आपण माने आज अवस्थान करिसंती डिग्री नवा पई उपवेशन करिसंती डिग्री प्राप्त करिया पई समस्त को मो तरफ बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, कंग्रेचुलेशंस। It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be invited to address to you all on this auspicious occasion, culmination of your academic journey, but also the beginning of a new chapter filled with opportunities, responsibilities, and aspirations. Convocation is a moment of celebration, reflection, and gratitude. It is a time to acknowledge the hard work, perseverance, and resilience that have brought you here. Indira Gandhi Open University, with its commitment to inclusive and accessible education, has empowered learners across diverse backgrounds and today stands as a beacon of hope and transformation. Dear graduates, realization of your dream, a beautiful clarification of years of very determination. The achievement is not your alone, it is equally a reflection of the support and encouragement provided by your parents, family, and teachers. Life may not be equal for everyone, but the right to education is universal. Since the time of the Mahabharata, determined learners have fought against circumstances and social barriers to claim their rights to knowledge. The story of Ekalavya reminds us of this truth. Though he did not have the privilege to learning directly under a guru, his dedication and discipline made him excel. Every surpassing Arjuna in archery. Similarly, many among you have pursued your education despite challenges. Some studying after long working hours, some balancing family responsibility, and others returning to education as a second chance in life. When I think of the women learners among you, you have continued their education despite family responsibility. I am reminded of the teacher of the character Revati from Uriya literature. That resource, his passion for mathematics led him to make extraordinary contributions that continue to influence the world even today. Time to contribute to society. Your success can means when it uplifts others. It is a
responsible citizens and make our state and nation proud. I extend my best wishes.
Well done.
Congratulations, Namaskar. It's a proud moment for all of us. You are one Namaskar, but you have made us proud. Thank you for making us proud and congratulations.
Fuel, Pranaya, Konsalan, Kaha. Jyotish, Mamta Pa. MBBS, Satyanarayana Mishra. Archana Priyadarsini Sahu. Sefari Priyadarsini. Then next Ankita Kumari Sahu. Next is Vikrobini Samar. The next program, please get in line. MADP Subhasmita Bharati Hota.